So this question related to mechanical properties of fluids was asked in JEE in 2023. That is, a spherical ball of radius 1 mm and density 10.5 gram per cc is dropped in glycerin of coefficient of viscosity 9.8 points and density 1.5 gram per cc. Viscous force on the ball when it attains constant velocity is. Okay, so हमें viscous force निकालना है, that is 6 pi eta RV when it attains constant velocity, that means at terminal velocity. तो सबसे पहले हमें terminal velocity निकालनी होगी. उसके लिए what are the data given to us? The radius of the ball r is given to us as 1 mm, which is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Convert all the units into SI units. And the density of the spherical ball, that is rho, is given to us as 10.5 gram per cc. So this will be 10.5 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Because 1 gram per cc is 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Then coefficient of viscosity of glycerin, that is eta, is given to us as 9.8 poise. And 1 poise is nothing but 1 gram per centimeter second. So this will be into 10 to the power minus 1. This will be the unit in kg per meter second. That is the unit of SI unit of viscosity. Then density of the viscous medium, that is glycerin, sigma, is given to us as 1.5 gram per cc. So this will be 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Now we will apply the formula for terminal velocity, that is Vt is equal to 2 upon 9 r square rho minus sigma into g upon eta. Okay, so we will put the values. So this will be 2 upon 9. R is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into rho. Rho is 10.5 minus sigma. Sigma is 1.5 and 10 to the power 3 will come common into G. G is 9.8 divided by eta. Eta is 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 1. So this 9.8 will get cancelled out. This 10 to the power minus 1, it will go in the numerator and this will become 10 to the power 4. Okay, so now this 10.5 minus 1.5, this will become 9. Okay, so 9 and 9 will get cancelled out and we will get 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 4, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी आ गया हमारा. अभी हम जो है विस्कस फोर्स निकालेंगे, that is 6 pi eta RV and here V will be the terminal velocity because we have to find the viscous force when the ball attains constant velocity, that is terminal velocity. अब इसमें हम वैल्यू रख देंगे 6 into pi is 22/7 into eta. Eta is nothing but 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 1 into R. It is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into terminal velocity we have just found out, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. So after solving we will get 3696 into 10 to the power minus 7. So we can say that x is equal to 7. So our answer is 7. Thank you and wish you all the best.